Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching. Checking in on natural gas. Nice recovery by the bulls. They're starting to put in some work. They have a lot of work to do. We now need a higher low and then continuation of higher highs. So we came off of the low and broke the lower high pattern once we got over 3233. But we need a higher low and then a higher high off this move for the bulls to be convinced that there is some strength behind it. We have a couple downtrend lines we can be keeping an eye on. I'd be watching this downtrend line, and it looks like we did break above that, so good sign for the bulls. But we have some longer term downtrend lines we can be watching from back here, and we're right at that level right now. That is coming from the high back on January 17th. And hitting those lower highs on the hourly. So it's a valid downtrend line because we have rejected 1, 2, and here's the third time. We're right there right now. So pretty important day with this trend line tomorrow. Going to get rid of this line because all I care about is that downtrend line at this point. So we keep talking about on the daily time frame needing to establish a higher low compared to the 310 level. And the bulls really need today to be that case. 3145. And now they need to confirm this bullish reversal candlestick. We had 4 red days in a row of this pullback. Now we have a bullish reversal candlestick. We must confirm it and see some follow through. The next resistances I'm going to be looking at, we can find on that hourly time frame. There's plenty of them. Looking up at 3347, then up to 3404 as the main 2 next levels to be watching. But it was a nice day for the bulls, certainly turning things around after a pretty dismal last week. 4 of the 5 trading days last week very clearly favoring the bears. So we need an increase in volume as well. That'd be a good sign for the bulls on the confirmation. We're right on the verge of a bullish MACD cross, and with a solid day tomorrow for the bulls and a move above 330, we will likely see that bullish MACD cross follow through. So checking back in on the weekly time frame, we did not confirm that bullish reversal candlestick 2 weeks ago. It was met with a very bearish follow-through candlestick. Now we have another bullish reversal candlestick forming, but obviously with 4 trading days left to go in this week, a lot can change there, so not putting too much weight into what that current candlestick shape is for this coming week. So bulls looking to follow through tomorrow. It would be a pretty big disaster, in my opinion, if the bulls were to lose 3145 support by the end of this week. They want that to be the low of the week, and they want to see nice progress from here. So key downtrend resistance line to be watching into the early morning, and if that becomes support, 3307 comes next. Let's check in on UNG real quick. 200-day moving average support trying to hold, bullish reversal candlestick, and the UNG bulls want to get above these 861 and 863 resistances to start filling this gap. So it's a pretty clear resistance level with those 2 levels rejecting the price. Weekly time frame pretty much looks the same as natural gas with the bullish reversal candlestick not being confirmed and another one trying to form. So 200-day moving average support, bulls want that to be the low of the week, and we now need progress heading back up towards 863. We'll check back in tomorrow and see how it goes. I appreciate you watching. Bulls must confirm the reversal candlestick.